When India organized the first National Sea Day?
I don't know.
A National Maritime Day is celebrated on 5th April every year in our country. The main purpose of the day is to create awareness among peoples about international transport and their role in the economical development of the country. India has a seas on three sides. According to the National Maritime Security Coordinator, India's coastline is 11,098 kilometers long. Seas play an important role in the country's trade. India has 12 major ports and 217 minor intermediate ports. They handled 819.22 million tons of cargo in FY 2024. During the same period, $451 billion of trade was done these ports, according to the government figure. On April 5, 1919, the ship SS Loyalty of India's Scindia Steel Navigation Company sailed from Mumbai to London for the first time. Before the sea voyage was done, only the British ships. To commemorate this day, the government of the India organized the first National Sea Day in 1964.